Hi guys, welcome to Forex Weekly. My name's Ben, I'm one of the senior traders on our London trading floor here. Last week, you'll remember I caught up on pound yen with you guys, along with analysing gold. I did actually highlight, I was looking to see how that weekly candle closed. So what I wanted to do with you guys today is head over to the charts, take a look and let's see what opportunities are coming up in the market. Okay, so taking a look at the charts here, we can see this is our weekly chart on gold. Now I mentioned that I was looking to see how last week's candle did actually close, just to basically make sure we did stay above that resistance level there at 1295. Now as you can see very clearly from our big bullish green candle there, we've managed to do that with ease. So I'm actually now looking for potential long opportunities that could be coming up on this commodity. So taking a look back down onto the daily chart, a bit more of a zoomed in look here, we can actually see that we've gapped up slightly after the weekend news. Now this is all in relation to North Korea. You probably saw it in the news yourself, testing some missiles, and it's made people basically a little bit more hesitant, a bit more risk adverse essentially, and they start looking to invest into the commodities. Now I can make another video at some stage a little bit more into detail about that, but all we need to know for this moment in time is that we have had a slight gap in the market. Now the most obvious trading opportunity would be now coming down short from this level, moving down into our support and then a potential bounce long. So for me personally, I've got this on my watch list. I'm only really focused on shorts for a short-term trade at the moment. After that, I'm going to be analysing and watching from that support level to see if any long opportunities. Now what I also wanted to do with you guys is actually share a trade I did take this morning. For that, we're going to head back over to my favourite pair, pound against the Japanese yen. And this is our pip runner strategy. So those of you that are familiar with our smart chart software will know this is one of our shorter term intraday strategies that we actually use. And it's basically got my month off to the perfect start. So you can see here, we did have this obviously large move down last night. Again, you know, more pairs actually reacting to the news over the weekend. We did have some period of consolidation here. Obviously this is during the Asian session, so naturally the volume's a little bit lower and there's not as much movement within the market. But then first thing this morning, so this is around 6 AM GMT time just here, we did actually get a sell signal, okay? So we're looking for this to now break obviously lower, and of course as you can see quite clearly from the charts there, we've done that with relative ease. So I entered the trade here just after 6 AM this morning, and within about an hour or so, so this was just before 7 o'clock, we actually hit our target there for a nice quick 1% gain. So you can imagine obviously if this was yourself at home, you know, took a trade like that, you know, this has actually hit your target and made you a nice bit of profit before most working days have even started. So it just goes to show how actually keeping an eye on the long-term time frames, analysing it, keeping everything together and just having a particular view makes it a lot easier when coming down to the shorter term time frames to actually, you know, pick a trade out and make a nice bit of profit. So I definitely recommend keeping gold on the watch list for now. In the next episode of Forex Weekly, I'll definitely catch up with that commodity, find out how it's moved and share with you guys any trading opportunities that might have presented themselves. In the meantime, if you want to find out more about some of the tools we utilise here at Learn to Trade, feel free to head to the website learnforexnow.co.uk, register for one of our free workshops. I look forward to seeing you there.